Most software systems own their own data model. The moment you use more than one system, keeping that data consistent becomes your problem. You end up stitching systems together with integrations, manual processes, and duplicated data. It works, but it's fragile, slow, and never fully aligned. Nodlin takes a different approach. Instead of deploying applications that each manage their own data, you deploy agents that define data and behavior directly in a shared graph. There is no isolated system state. Everything exists as connected data. An agent is a service that defines the types of data it manages and the logic that governs how that data behaves. In Nodlin, data is represented as nodes. Each node is a structured piece of information, for example, an objective, a requirement, a task, or a financial metric. Agents define these node types and how they interact with other nodes across the graph. The key idea is that the graph is reactive. Think of it like a spreadsheet. When one value changes, everything that depends on it updates automatically. But instead of cells in a grid, you have nodes connected in a graph. This allows relationships between completely different domains, objectives, tasks, budgets, analysis, to stay continuously in sync. For example, an agent might define an objective node. Objectives can be connected into a hierarchy with higher level goals depending on lower level ones. If you update a single objective, that change propagates through the graph. Parent objectives automatically update their scores. Visualizations update in real time. You're not manually recalculating or synchronizing anything. The system maintains consistency for you. This becomes more powerful when agents interact. An objective can be connected to initiatives, initiatives to requirements, requirements to tasks or budgets. Each agent focuses on its own domain, but all data remains connected and reactive. There's no need to integrate separate systems. The graph is the integration. Agents in Nodlin can be built in three ways. Python agents. These are lightweight and can be developed directly in the browser. They're suited for quickly defining data structures and behavior. External agents. These run as containers in your cluster. They're used when you need performance, scaling, or integration with external systems. Internal agents. These are built-in capabilities, like workflow, notes, or expressions, that can be reused across the graph. Instead of installing multiple applications, each with its own data, UI, and integration overhead, you compose capabilities using agents. You define the data once, you define the logic once, and everything stays aligned automatically. Nodlin ships with a number of open-sourced examples to model structured thinking, software development, financial analysis, and AI-driven workflows. These can be used as is, tailored to meet your specific requirements, or you can develop your own. Nodlin turns software from isolated applications into a connected, reactive system of data and behavior. Agents don't just add features, they extend a shared model where everything works together by design.